Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Simple NK. My name is Nidhi. Hope you guys are doing really great. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe to it right now. Before I start this video, I would like to apologize here for not being able to put up a video this Friday. I was super busy, and it was Karwa Chauth, and I was editing a makeup tutorial which took me like ages to finish, and I wasn't able to do it until Sunday. So I didn't put it up because my system crashed and everything happened, and there were QA releases in office, so back to back QA releases, Karwa Chauth, my system crashed and everything, and it all summed up, and I wasn't able to put up a video on this Friday. So I'm sorry for that, but from now on that will not happen. I will always be ready with a video. I hope I am able to keep that up. So let's not make this video that long. Let's just get started for what all I liked for the month of October. Do let me know by commenting down below what were your favorites, so that we can, we might have shared the same favorite things. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing that I absolutely loved this month was this Inveda BB cream. This BB cream, I absolutely love this. I got this in my fab bag. I used it during summers, but it just melted down. It made me sweat so much that everything used to come out just by wiping myself. I used it recently and it just worked fine for me in this weather. It's cold, and it really moisturizes your skin really well, which is not required during summer, but during the season like this and during winters you can skip your cold cream or your moisturizer and you can directly wear this BB cream, because that will not make you sweat, and also it will give you a really nice glow and natural finish to your face that you will love. Trust me guys, you'll love. I fell in love with this cream the moment I applied it this weather, not in summers. So I have been pretty much wearing it almost every day, and I'm about to finish this. I dropped it. Okay, this seems to be a little bottle, but it lasted me so long. You do not require a lot of product if you have skin like me. A small amount will go a long way. So I am still using it, and I think it still has product in it. Yeah, it is still has. I can still go with this for like a week or so. Okay, so this was the first thing. Next, I liked were these two lipsticks. Okay, both of them are from Lakme, and this little guy right here, I wore it almost every single day. This I bought like only 15 days ago, but the moment I used it, I actually liked the color of it, not the formulation, but I loved the color. It is a Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick, and it's a really nice pink shade. It gives that natural pinky look to your lips, which I absolutely love, but the color actually fades away really fast. The moisturization still remains, but the color fades down a little bit, and it will last you like 5-6 hours, not 9 to 5 but 5-6 hours. So this is in the shade CP1 Rosy Review, I think that's the shade name. So this is the first lipstick. The second that I absolutely loved, like seriously, I think I can go with this another month. This is Lakme Absolute Matte. This is again a wine sort of a color. It's really dark pinkish color. I actually love this color. You can see just one swipe gives such a nice coverage. This is in the shade Mauve Fix. The best part about this is it is matte, yet it is really moisturizing, and it lasts on your lips for a really long time. The color is still there, the moisturization is there. You eat or you drink, the color and the moisturization will still be there, and the coverage, you see guys, this is amazing. amazing stuff, amazing, amazing. I'm going to buy another color of this one because I seriously fell in love with this one. Next I loved this month was this 1969 Versace Talia Dio body spray, and it is a 150 ml bottle. The smell is really amazing. It's a fruity smell, very soothing. You'll really feel fun when you apply this. It's really fun when you apply it, trust me guys. And the smell is amazing, fruity smell. I absolutely love this smell. It's like, I just can't explain it. It's fruity, it's fruity. So I love this body spray. And you know guys, I love my Nivea cold cream so much during winters, but I reviewed this in my 50 subscribers giveaway that I didn't like the smell of it, but I like what it does. I mean, the smell is obviously annoying, but when you apply it, it's all gone. It's like Fair and Lovely kind of smell, but that remains and that will give you a headache. But this just fades away and it gives your skin a really soft touch, and it really moisturizes your skin and keep it moisturized for a really long time. So I like this. What is this? Richfield Blueberry Radiance moisturizers. It's a complete kit. It has a cleanser, a toner and a moisturizer. I am loving both of those as well, but this cream I am loving way more than the cleanser and the toner. So next is this. This is my mehendi guys. I forgot to show you guys. I applied it by myself. I do it every year all by myself, and I've been doing it for like 8 years because I'm married that long. Okay, so this year it will be 8, I guess. Yeah, this November it will be 8. So I did it all by myself. Hope you guys like it. Do let me know by commenting down below. Okay, so the next thing that I loved this October was this Just Herb Rejuvenating Elixir. I have reviewed this as well because I liked it so much. I think I am about to finish this bottle, but then I am going to get another one in this month's fab bag, which I'm really excited because I am getting this in that bag. So I really love this stuff. It makes your skin really healthy from deep within, works on any breakout that you might have directly. It is that good. You can watch that review of mine. It will be scrolling right here right now on over here, so you can just click that, and if you want you can just click that and have a look at the review of this oops, I'm dropping everything today. Just Herb's Rejuvenating. The last thing that I absolutely loved this October was this NYX Auto Eye Pencil. I got this in my fab bag this month, which was like around 10th or something. It is a really nice turquoise I think, dark blue, navy blue, royal blue kind of a color. I'm so bad at defining colors. Yeah, so this is the color. I mean it is that blackish blue, if that makes sense. That it pops your eyes, but then at the same time it will not make your eyes look like out of the way or something different. You can wear it almost every single day instead of your black eyeliner in your waterline or on your lash line. It absolutely looks beautiful on your eyes. So I just love this, and I literally wore this for a week continuously every day to office. So loving this stuff as well. So that was all that I actually loved all this October. What were your favorites? Do let me know by commenting down below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. Till then, stay beautiful, take care. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.